Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Udoh, and every week I share content that can help you master your personal finance and grow your wealth. So thank you so much for joining me today. In today's video, we're going to talk about where did your money go? Now, like most people, I struggled, with my finances, basically living paycheck to paycheck, which is what's going on with most people today. And as a result of the health situation that we had, a lot of people lost their jobs, a lot of people had to downsize their lifestyle, and we're still going through this health situation. And as a result of that, a lot of people are struggling. Now, just like you, there are many times when I used to, get my paycheck and I'll go, where did my money go? Okay, that's what's happening to a lot of people today, because most people don't have a budget. Most people have seen a reduction in their income, and the only way you can combat this, okay, is to increase your income. Unfortunately, for most people, they feel lost, they feel helpless, and they think there's nothing they can do to remedy their situation. But I'm here to tell you that you do have options, and you do have a way to get yourself out of any financial rut you're in. Now, I don't claim to be a tax professional. I don't claim to be a financial advisor. I'm just a regular guy on YouTube, just sharing some of my life's experiences with you, and also to share some knowledge with you, which can help, even if it's just one person out there, get their life back on track. So, like I said, the question is, most people end up at the end of the month asking this question: where did my money go? Well, we live in a society where a lot of things are very easy to come by, just like using the internet. Okay, we're able to do our shopping, we're able to subscribe to all sorts of subscriptions, magazines, etc., and all these things basically take money from you. So if you're not paying attention to your finances, if you're not paying attention to your money, or how you spend your money, or what you do with your money, at the end of the month you'll be asking yourself, where did my money go? Where did all my money go? Okay, so don't beat yourself up, because this is happening to a lot of people out there, including myself. Okay, there are certain times when most of us, we have an influx of cash, and we think this cash is always going to keep coming in, and then we go on a spending binge. Okay, most people spend more time shopping online and spending money, or going to the malls, because they seek to have shopping therapy. So most of us are going through a lot of things, a lot of stress in our lives, and we feel we can compensate by going shopping or going to buy things that we think we need, but which are just frivolous things that are just going to take your money. So at the end of the day, you're asking yourself, where did all my money go? Well, if you sit down and look through your bank statements, then you'll be able to see where all your money went. Okay, so it's very simple. Get your bank statement, look through your bank statement, and see how much you've spent on things. You'll be amazed at how much money we waste on things. Currently in the United States, we're experiencing a high rate of inflation, which basically erodes your purchasing power. So if you've been shopping lately, if you've gone to the store to get groceries, vegetables, milk, eggs, stuff like that, you will notice that prices have increased. Same thing at the pumps. If you go to get gas for your car, like the vehicle I'm driving right now uses premium gas, okay, which means I have to use premium gasoline for this particular vehicle. So it doesn't matter whether you have a car that's using premium or using regular. This is specifically to the United States, so I don't know what type of gas you use where you are. In some countries it's called fuel. In the United States we call it gas. Okay, so when I talk about gas, I'm talking about fuel for my vehicle, or for our vehicles. Okay, so everyone's feeling the pinch right now. Everyone's in a situation right now where we just had the holidays just went by, for those that celebrate Christmas. So we just had Christmas, and a lot of us probably went into debt just to buy gifts for our families. This is another area where we spend money. Don't get me wrong, I mean, it's great to buy gifts for family, but at the same time you need to make sure that you budget for it. So this brings me back to a very dear topic to me, which is budgeting. So you want to make sure that you create a budget for yourself. Like I said, we're approaching 2022 in a few days. Okay, as of the recording of this video, it's December 27th, and we have a few more days, and then 2021 is going to be behind us, and then we'll be left now with 2022. Now, are you going to let the same habits and the same things that you did in 2021 flow over to 2022? That's my question to you. So you want to make sure that you sit down now and you create a budget for yourself and make sure that 2022 is a better year for you, whereby number one, you have your budget. Number two, you're finding ways to increase your income, because you cannot have one source of income. You got to have multiple sources of income. I'm also working on multiple sources of income, because at the end of the day, you're responsible for your personal finance and you're responsible for building your wealth. So, like I said, you are responsible for what happens to you financially. You shouldn't be in a situation in 2022 where you're asking yourself, where did my money go? Okay, you need to know where every single penny, every single dollar goes. Okay, so that's all my rant for today. I hope you love my videos. I hope you like my channel. I want to thank all my subscribers for supporting me and also for being there and checking out my videos. And as usual, if you like my videos or if you like this video, don't forget to smash that thumbs up button so that YouTube's algorithm will share this video with other people who might find benefits from my videos. Okay, so I want to thank you all for being here today, and as usual, be true to yourself, be true to your goals, and never ever give up. And make sure you set plans for yourself. You come up with a plan for 2022. Now is the time for you to come up with this plan. Okay, don't wait till 2022 to come up with a plan. Come up with a plan now. And I wish you all the best, and please stay tuned for more videos. I know I have been off for a few days, but I'm gonna try and commit again to giving you more videos every single week. Okay, thank you so much for being here, and make sure you share my channel with other people, and I'll catch you in the next video coming up shortly. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also the notification bell so YouTube will notify you of my latest videos. So thank you again for being here, and I'll catch you in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.